Assalamualaikum. I am Umme Farwa under the roll number 18BM20 with my group mates Sania Batul and Tayyaba 18BM19 and 18BM38. Our project name is to design the up-down counter using JK flip-flop. Basically, up-down counter it is a combination of an up counter and a down counter. It can count in both directions, increasing as well as decreasing. Means that each pulse applied to the clock input increments or decrements the number in the counter. Depending on the type of clock inputs, counters are of two types: asynchronous counter and synchronous counter. I designed here a 4-bit synchronous up-down counter. This is a synchronous counter. That means here we will give same clock pulse to all the flip-flops at the same time. The flip-flops I have used are A, B, C and D for flip-flops because we designed 4-bit counter. The components I have used in this project are in this circuit are JK flip-flop, 7-segment common anode display, power supplies, switches, some AND gates and OR gates, and one NOT gate as an inverter, and 4 probes and IC. This 7447 IC is basically a BCD IC, that is a binary to decimal converter IC that convert the binary number to the decimal. So the JK flip-flop used in this circuit, the most prominent reason behind using it is as a counter is it's a toggle operation. The J and K are the inputs of the each flip-flop and the Q and Q complements are the outputs of flip-flop. So if J and K both are high at the clock edge, then the output will toggle from one state to another. Now the working of this flip-flop, this circuit, during up counting the stage flip-flop should toggle when all the lower flip-flops are equal to 1. Therefore, in each stage, one AND gate is used to calculate this carry signal for the next stage flip-flop. That means when I put this to 1 position, then it will count up counting, and when I put it to down position, means at a 0 position, then it will count down counting. So similarly, during down counting, the flip-flop should toggle when all the lower flip-flops are 0. This is calculated using AND gates connected to the Q outputs of the flip-flops. The combinational circuit in this project or this circuit helps in selecting different modes. The circuit synchronous binary counter, it produces count sequence from 0 to 9. So basically it is a 4-bit synchronous counter, means it gives us 16 possibilities. Means it can count from the 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1 in up counting, and from down counting it will count from the 1 1 1 to 0 0 0 0. So here I used one 7-segment display IC. So it will give me only from a decimal number from the 0 to 9. If I want above 9 number, then I will use two 7-segment display ICs. But here as I use only one 7-segment display, so I will get only 0 to 9 numbers. Now the switches I used here are switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 1 is used for up and a down mode. When I put it to up position, then it will count up counting, and when I put it to down position, then it will count down counting. And this switch is for the clock input. By changing its clock input, it will give me each number. It will give me binary, that BCD converted to the decimal number. Let me show you how it works. Now this switch is at down counting, the down position or a down mode. So we will see that by changing it, it will give me 1111. From the 1111, it will give me 15. As I see, give me only 9 number. So at 9 position, it will show me the number 9. This 1001 binary means 9. Again, changing clock pulse, it will give me 8 means 10008. Similarly, 70111, 60110, 5, 4, 30011 and 2, 1 and 2 0 means it counts from the 1111 to 0000. That was down counting. For up counting, I will put it to up mode. Then it will give me the up counting. Let me show you. This is a 1 0001, 2 0010, 30011 and so on up to the 9 that display show. This is all about my project. Thank you so much.